Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to connect Surfshark from your phone to your computer. First, open the Surfshark app on your phone. Log in if you have not already. Once you are inside the app, choose a server location and turn the VPN on. When the status shows that you are connected, your phone is now protected by Surfshark. Next, we will share that connection with your computer. On your phone, go to the settings and turn on the mobile hotspot or Wi-Fi hotspot option. This will create a wireless network using your phone. Now move to your computer. On your PC, open the Wi-Fi menu and look for the hotspot name of your phone. Select it, type the password if you created one, and connect. Once connected, your computer will use the internet connection from your phone. Because Surfshark is already running on your phone, the traffic from your computer will also go through the VPN server. That means your PC is now using the same Surfshark protection and location as your phone. That is all you need to do. Thanks for watching.